Rela is a company dealing in electronics and semiconductors. In Uganda, definitely, most of the things now we are using are electronics, from home appliances, from our own devices, but all that most times is imported, that is too expensive due to taxes, and at the end of the day, all that goes to the end user. But with Rela Electronics, we introduced making this, all the boards, PCB designing, and reverse engineering every electronic, so as we can favor the market of Uganda. So today, I have very many products that I'm trying to showcase that are manufactured by Rela Electronics. From the designing to the assembly to the final product, everything is done by Rela Electronics here in Uganda at the center of deep tech in Namave. Maybe take you through a couple of the products that we have here. These are microcomputers, and basically this is running on the ESP32. So this whole board is designed and then assembled in Uganda. So that reduces the costs that would be implemented on the end user. Instead of getting this at maybe 500,000, you end up getting it at maybe 200,000. That is less cheaper than what you'd actually get it if it is imported. We have more other products that we actually do make. This is a camera prototype. This one can be used as a dashboard camera, can be used as a security camera, and most of these are just plug and play. You only have to just insert, recharge, everything, like it's just plug and play for easy usage and applicability. So this is a smart connect that you connect all appliances, most especially every appliance that uses electricity. We have an example of televisions, we have fridges, we as well have maybe your lights, everything that uses electricity. So after connecting it, this one can be configured on your personal device, like how you configure routers and all that kind of stuff. So after configuring the devices connected to this, you can remotely control them, switch them on or off using your personal device without physically going to the socket to control this. Then we have a few of the boards. This is a plain board before assembly, but this PCB, it's designed at the center of deep tech in Namave at Rela Electronics, and then assembled at Rela Electronics. And this is really reducing costs that we are incurring in as innovators, as creators. So this reduces costs that would incur in buying electronics and components that we really need. Now this is a fully assembled board. You know, it has a microprocessor, it has all other elements. And when you see here, most of these elements are plug and play. You do not need to solder again. After us assembling, we are using plug and plays that every creator or every innovator can easily use this component without having to go back and solder again. There are a couple of more innovations that Rela is doing. For example, this is the Integra. And the Integra is a scientific calculator, 991 MS. So the scientific calculators we've been using are imported from outside, and then high taxes imposed on them. And then the students that we are looking at to be using these calculators end up spending a lot of money on them. So Rela Electronics decided to reverse engineer these calculators, implement their functionality, so you can actually get this calculator locally made, but at a cheaper price, but doing the same functionality as all these calculators we've been importing from outside. This is the board of the calculator that is designed and assembled at Rela Electronics. And if you also have your own boards, own complicated circuits, and you want to reverse engineer it, you can reach out to us on our website, Rela Electronics, or you can reach out to our office in Namave at the Center of Deep Tech. You give us your board, we do design it, we reverse engineer it, and then at the end of the day, we can have it assembled again and even implemented to be more powerful than it is. This is a vein locator We are in many hospitals, there are patients that have issues with locating veins. You find a patient's vein is actually very difficult to locate a patient's vein because maybe they have thin veins and they are very difficult to locate. But with this device, this is a vein locator. So this device helps a medic to easily locate veins by, it uses a principle of light that it flashes light and creates a region of a dark component, a region of lighter with high intensity that is going to help you easily identify where the veins are lying under skin. So we also managed to reverse engineer how dryers work, their functionality, and then we came up with the Aula. So the Aula is a locally made hair dryer. Most especially, we've been using hair dryers made by Chinese companies and other companies. But then Rela managed to come up with its own hair dryer. Its body is 3D printed. Its all functionality internally is locally made at Rela Electronics, and it is fully functional and ready for market. So with these kind of innovations, we are trying to really so much to make sure that the end user of these electronic appliances does not get affected by prices. So also at Real Electronics, we do 3D printing for different models. You have to reach out to us with your model, or you reach out with a prototype of what you want. We design the model and then have it 3D printed. So a lot of innovations going on, and Real Electronics is ready to support all innovators throughout Uganda with components, with technical knowledge, enhancing the $500 billion economy in Uganda. The government of Uganda is trying so much. So as every innovator has their innovations published. But the most challenging part of it all is that dreams, innovations die along the way because they do not have people to help them out. So Rela Electronics every year has what they call the Rela Catalyst funding. With the Rela Catalyst funding helps innovators to fund and push their dreams furthermore. But what you have to do is to go to the STI, pitch your dream or pitch your idea, whoever it is. Then, if it is a good idea and the STI picks up on it, STI forwards you to Rela, and then Rela will be able to fully fund you and then give you the technical knowledge and even the components for you that you need to push on your innovations. So don't let your innovation die out. You can make it through